What is the ancient city mystery?
It's a secret room. We need to find it.
What are you doing, Alex? I'm sneaking. Be quiet.
Oh no, what is that?
The monster. It's waking up.
It's attacking. Get ready to fight.
I'm defending with my shield. What about you guys?
We are shooting arrows.
It's too strong.
Wait, the monster has no eyes. It cannot see.
Then let's escape.
Look, a chest.
What's inside?
A golden carrot. Yummy.
The secret door, guys. Let's go.
Great job, Charlie.
Wow, redstone room. We are here. It's amazing.